Today we're going to talk about how to add music to your video project using Filmora. But before I do, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. Adding music to your project gives you a little more flair. It can make it less boring and keep your audience a little bit more interested. There are several places you can go to find royalty-free music. But when you purchase Filmora, it comes with a variety of royalty-free music that you can use in your projects without having to worry about violating copyright laws. So for this video, we're going to focus on what comes with Filmora, and then in a later video I will share with you some other places you can go to find royalty-free music. First, you need to create your project. Add whatever transitions that you want, so the last piece that you have is just to add the music track. When you have the project the way you want it, just click on Music. Now, Filmora offers a wide variety of free music that you can use. Like I said, you don't have to worry about copyright, so you can use any of these in your projects. Now, you can actually just add it to your project, or if you click here on the outside, you can listen to it before you add it to see if it's exactly what you want. If that's not what you want, just keep looking around and clicking on them and find the sound that you're actually looking for. When you find one you like, just click on Add to Project and play. Now, if it's not exactly what you're looking for, or you can see right here where it starts getting louder, you can actually go to that particular part and see if that is really what you want to add. If that's the part that you want, you can actually trim this down to make it work for your project. So let's say we want to split it here. Let's play and see what happens. Maybe you actually want it to fade in as opposed to just jump right into it. If you click on the project itself, there is a fade in, fade out button that you can use. You can just fade in. See, that sounds a little bit better because you've actually faded into your project. Now let's go to the end. Now obviously we don't want it to keep going because our project is ended. So we can split it and then cut it. And then what we're going to do is fade out. Let's go back to the end and play. Now let's play our entire project. And that's it. That's how you add music to your projects. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment below, and remember to subscribe and click the bell to be notified when new videos are posted. I'll see you in the next video.